Number 11, write a brief description or a definition of each of the following, and then we just have to say what a mass number is, right? Now, tomato, tomato, right? Mass number, we can say mass number, but mass number. Mass number is basically the same thing as an atomic mass. Me personally, I like to use the word atomic mass, but if you like to use the word mass number, that is fine with me. But just know that if, we're dealing with nuclear reactions here, so you could always find a mass number or an atomic mass by looking at the nuclide, right, or the Nuclide notation. So there's always going to be an atom, right, which, let's just say, I don't know, it doesn't really matter. Let's just say that we have carbon, right? And then, generally, we have two numbers. We're always going to have a number on the top and the bottom. The mass number, or the atomic mass, is always written as the top number. And maybe just because they said mass number, I'm going to say mass number, but instinctually, I always go for that atomic mass. Now, the mass number is always the bigger number between the two, right? The mass number is the number of protons plus the number of neutrons. And the mass number is basically what it is. It's the total mass of the nucleus, because protons and neutrons are in the nucleus. Total mass of the nucleus. Because you got those subatomic particles on there. So, total mass of the nucleus in U's, I guess we'll say, right? Atomic mass units. Because if you're talking about it in terms of like kilograms or grams, it's not going to be that same number. So we'll say total mass of the nucleus in atomic mass units. So usually it's written as like a AMU. So if you want, we could say that we have either carbon 12, so we have 12 total protons and neutrons in the atom of carbon. You could do a carbon 14, so you got a total of 14 protons and neutrons. But that's basically what the mass number is. It's just the total mass of the nucleus in the atomic mass unit, and it's the total number of protons plus neutrons in the nucleus. So, nucleus. So basically, you kill two birds with one stone. And because of that, that's basically what it is. So it's just the total number of protons and neutrons inside the nucleus. It has nothing to do with electrons, because that's outside the nucleus. And the mass number only comes from the nucleus value. And that's it. I hope this helped. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for viewing the video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to help us out. We also open memberships up for the new school year if you want to become a member to the channel. That will greatly help us out, and in return, we will help you out by being able to post cool new content for you guys. So, thank you, and I hope you're having a great day. I'll talk to you soon, okay? All right, bye-bye.